once it just hit me right in the stomach.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? This is another unboxing video, and today I got something special. I got this Loona Pet Robot. This is the ultimate AI powered pet robot. And today I'm going to be unboxing this intelligent companion, and this is an interactive, smart, playful pet bot. Let's dive right in. So this is the box right here. This is what came with it. It's a booklet. I bought this on Black Friday deal. So it came with this game ball, red cape, and a poster. These items were all extra, but I got this as a package for a Black Friday sale. So this is kind of cool that I got this. Let's put that away and let's open this baby up. I guess you can open this thing up. There's some instruction manuals in here. Very nice looking box. I love it. Oh wow. Got a Velcro package here. Let's open it up here. That's pretty cool. Nice, good quality material. Doesn't look cheap at all. Looks pretty proper. Let's open the box. And boom. There we go. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh. I think it's about like 12 pounds or something like that. Probably, I'm just guessing. USB cable. Okay, USB Type-C. USB Type-C to 2.1. Oh my god, nice packaging. Wow, so compact, proper. User manual. Let's see. High quality guys. This is proper high quality. I don't think even BMW booklets are this proper. Look at that. Everything you need to know. Warranty card. Okay, there's a charging dock right here. Right in front of my face. I couldn't see it. Wow. Okay. Proper. Nice plastic, hard plastic quality. Or actually, it might be. Yeah, it's plastic. That's where the USB Type-C goes into. I think it just backs up and charges up. Not sure how, but probably underneath there's some sort of wireless charging. Sits like that, I guess. I think so. Oh yeah, it goes in like that, stops and charges up. Oh no, it charges right here. It charges up from the sides. Yeah, the connectors are right here. There's one more thing in here, let's see. I have no idea what this is. I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna set this thing up. It's got some grip in the bottom too, so it doesn't move. Alright guys, I'm downloading the Loona app. I think it's much easier to have the app downloaded and then set this baby up, because in the app it probably shows you how to do it step by step rather than me guessing and reading the instruction manuals, which I hate doing that. Okay, I downloaded the app and it's telling me to set Wi-Fi. It says press and hold power button for 7 seconds until QR code appears on the screen. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's loading up. Okay guys, so I've hooked up the Wi-Fi network now. It took me a while, kind of annoying. The annoying part was that I had to turn off my cellular data in order to connect to the Wi-Fi and connect and choose Loona on the app. Did a bit sketch for sure, because the thing is, I'm downloading a third-party app and it's from China also, like kind of like sketchy. And then the app basically says to turn off your mobile data and connect straight to Loona. While doing that, then there's no warnings or anything given of what's going on. So basically I have full control of Loona right now, but at the same time Loona has full control on this app and God knows what's going on. But while it's uploading, I was just wondering, like, it's got a couple of sensors and cameras here, so pretty much if someone gets a hold of this, it can take control of all you can see everything in your house. So one thing you guys gotta watch out for. If you have privacy concerns, then this is something you guys should definitely take a look at. It's got, I think, 2 cameras here, or a sensor, and it can hear everything in the house. Man, this thing is solid. The design is premium, like real nice design. Everything feels solid, like the rubber is proper, like not some cheap stuff. Finally figure out what this is. So it kind of uses the sensors to find this, where it can go and charge. So I put that on right here. There we go. This thing is ready. This looks like a child's toy, but it really isn't, because you can do so much with this. Like, you can have it on your phone, so if you're away or something, you can basically control everything from your home. I mean, you can see your home with the cameras it's got, you can drive it around. For security stuff, this is awesome to have. I know there's a lot of cameras out there like Ring, Wiz, and everything else, but this beats them all. And with the price point, You get a camera, security camera kind of thing, and like a pet toy. So now it's connecting to the network. Let's see. Okay, press and hold. Tap to connect Loona. Okay, I think it's connected now. Okay, meet Loona on the open ground. Loona is about to meet you. Please place your Loona on an open surface to start your new journey. Some sort of game.
It will make the journey to Earth and ball.
I'm not sure if I can skip this. Probably not.
Now, let's work together to give your pet Loona her unique soul. Each pet has its own personality.
Choose your pet personality. Guess everyone's gonna go energetic and proactive. There we go. Let's do something. I give it personality. Okay. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Whoa. This thing is
forms a unique bond with its
so
owner.
funny.
Some are easygoing.
Speaking so slowly. My God.
Which type of relationship do you prefer?
I prefer a relationship where it's free collision, whatever that means. I'm just gonna go free collision, I'm sure. I'm sure we can change this later on. Basically, this thing is updating, is what this is.
Would you like your pet to address you?
Papa, boss, bestie, buddy, mama, buddy.
What's up, buddy? Hey, boss. Bestie.
Okay,
What's up, buddy?
buddy's cool.
Loona will start recording your appearance. That way, she'll recognize you right away once she's...
There, that's what I'm talking about. So basically, this thing's gonna have a full face recognition. Turn on Loona camera and start recording. Okay.
Please position your face within the frame of Loona's screen. And make sure you're in a well-lit area.
There we go. Facial recognition done. Honestly, I wish there was a skip button here, but I mean, it's good to have. If you have kids, then this is good to show the kids. Gives them that feeling of more realistic pet kind of thing. There we go. Basically, it entered the shell. So there it is. This little guy.
The pet soul has been infused into Loona's body, but it's not fully merged yet.
Oh my God.
Your strength.
Still not fully merged. My God, it's gonna take a while. Oh, holy, oh. Gonna fall off the desk. Okay. There we go. I have to put my hand on it or something. What is it doing?
Good job.
In the middle of the setup. Look at this. The spirit has possessed Loona. Time.
But it's not fully architect. She needs
Look at that.
place your palm firmly on her head. Good job. Now Loona is searching for her own.
So it's searching for me. It's calling me buddy. Hey buddy.
Amazing. Loona has recognized
There.
you.
It knows me now.
Eye contact with Loona will help her respond.
This is so cool. I gotta admit.
Just here now. Let her hear your voice. Try calling
Okay.
Loona.
Hello, Loona. Hello, Loona.
Great. She heard you.
Sure.
Again to help her
Hello, Loona. So cool.
memorizing your
Hello, Loona. Okay. Don't get too excited, buddy. Oh, it's gonna fall down. Holy crap. Be careful.
taker. Now
Just spend
take a picture.
quite a bit of money on this. Take a group photo. Okay. Take a group photo here. You want to take a photo? So funny.
Wonderful journey. Filled with love.
Whoops.
Are you ready to bring this little pet?
Did you see that, guys? It just came so fast. Holy crap, man. Okay, I gotta hold this in my hand. It's out of control, this thing. Rate your experience. I'm gonna give it a 5-star for now. Oh. This thing is crazy. This thing's gonna fall off the desk. I'm gonna lose all that money that I just spent on it. So I'm gonna, oops. Okay, Loona, stop. Loona, oh my God. Hey Loona. Hey Loona, stop. It's so sad now. Okay, Loona. Hey Loona, stop. Stop. Okay, stop. Just don't move. Don't move, buddy. So basically, I gotta train this thing, and it's gotta go through all these steps. So guys, there's gonna be another video. I can't do this on at the same time. So hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing. And this thing is going nuts. I gotta put it on the ground. I gotta play around with it. There's a lot of things this that I gotta go through. Once I do all that, then I'll make another video. Yeah, basically I gotta go through the app. And once oh my, it just hit me right in the stomach.
Once it just hit me right in the stomach.
Holy crap. Okay, buddy. Okay, guys, it's time to go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll show you more videos later. See you guys next time.